Hi, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a session on English vocabulary. If you wish to study in Hindi language, you can actually switch to the Hindi session that is there in the playlist. As we upload all the sessions in Hindi medium as well as English medium. This session is primarily for those students who are from South India or who are from Northeast India. If you like the session, if you understand all the words which I'm teaching you right now, please press the like button for sure. Share the video with your friends because the words are very important, integral part of any competitive exam. So I think the words will be useful for any competitive exam. If you have any cousin, if you have any friend, you can actually share the video with that friend. That is your participation. I really feel that my session should be actually beneficial for you all. Please subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Vidya Guru's YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon because that's how you'll be getting the notifications of all the exam relevant videos which we upload. I'll start with the first word here on. The first word is snarky. You cannot actually listen to the answer straight away. You have to check yourself. At least read all the options. Probably you may have heard the word before. If you have heard the word before, then I feel you'll be able to answer that. The word is not that difficult. Snarky means something biting. That's the answer. But I'll actually tell you it does not mean biting literally. We are not biting anything. Biting comments, biting remarks. The remarks which are actually critical to someone, the remarks which are actually sharp to someone, they are snarky. Snarky means biting. I'll actually explain that further. I was saying critical remarks where you are criticizing someone, that sort of remark is snarky remark. The mischievous student at the back of the class kept making snarky comments. We generally feel those students who sit, at the back of the class, we really feel that they are not that intelligent. That's how we could actually come to the conclusion by framing this sentence that there was a mischievous student, a naughty kid, a naughty student at the back of the class, kept making critical remarks, kept making biting remarks, the remarks which were not very pleasant. They are snarky. That is how the answer came out to be biting. Let's move to the other word. The word is invective. Invective means, look at the options first. The answer is invective. The answer is insulting, abusive, highly critical language. That is invective. So out of these options, the answer came out to be abuse. The answer came out to be abuse. Insulting, abusive, or highly critical language, that is invective. Invective language. We can call it vituperation as well. Vituperation, vituperation. If you haven't heard the word before, vituperation means insulting. Vituperation means abusive. Something which is derogatory. Let's move to the sentence. That's how I'll be able to explain better. The newspaper's invective of the novel really made the author angry. If some author is there and if that author reads something critical, very very critical about his novel, then that person, that novelist has to get angry. That's what is happening here. We were saying that the newspaper's invective, that means the newspaper's critical language, insulting language for the novel really made the author angry. So the author got angry because of the use of that invective language used by the newspaper. I was saying that. So invective means abuse. Let's move to the other word. Bloviate. Bloviate, I'm actually trying to talk a lot about myself or things in a manner where I'm bragging a lot. Talk at length, that is bloviate. Talk at length, especially in an inflated or empty manner, in an inflated or empty way, that is bloviate. So out of these options, the answer is going to be rant. To speak a lot in annoying way as if you are very important, that is bloviate. Bloviate, you are actually talking a lot. That too, you are being arrogant. You are being sort of arrogant. That is bloviate. The chairman did not like to bloviate. That's his not habit. That's not his habit. That is he's saying that the chairman did not like to bloviate. He did not like to bloviate. That is why he kept his conversations short and to the point. So that is how bloviate came out to be like that. That chairman is very to the point. The chairman does not like to bloviate. He does not brag too much. The chairman kept his conversations short. He did not bloviate. Don't forget the meaning. Bloviate means where we are bragging. That is how the answer came out to be rant. The next question, the next word, consummate. Consummate means showing great skill and flair. You are showing that you are very skilled. You are showing that you are very dexterous. That is consummate. Consummate, that means somebody who's very perfect. Somebody who's perfect, somebody who's exemplary, somebody who's supreme, that is consummate. I'll actually explain it with an example. I was saying that my sister is a consummate liar. My sister is a consummate liar. She can make anyone believe practically anything that happens. We have, one or the other person who is like that. Consummate liar, that means perfect liar. Perfect liar, she is that good. My sister is that good. She can make anyone believe anything, practically anything. If she feels that is right, she'll actually make you believe that. That is consummate liar. That means perfect liar. Out of these options, the answer came out to be superb. Consummate means superb because that was great skill. That was with great flair, showing great skill, great flair. That is perfect, exemplary, or supreme. The next word is eviscerate. The last word of the day is eviscerate. Look at the options first so that you can come to a conclusion. Eviscerate means gut. Eviscerate means gut. When you disembowel someone, you take out something from the body, that is eviscerate. Eviscerate, try to use the word with extraction. When you are extracting something from someone's body, maybe it can be an animal, it can be a human being, that's not a problem, but eviscerate remains the same. Disembowel means you are taking out something from the body of someone. I'll explain it with an example. Upon my death, the hospital will eviscerate my body. Upon my death, when I die, what will happen? The hospital will take out, will eviscerate, will take out my body, eviscerate my body. That means they'll take out stuff from my body. What is that? They are actually going to transplant my useful organs into somebody else's, body. So transplanting my useful organs, they'll eviscerate. Eviscerate, I said the answer is going to be gut out of these options because that means the same. We'll keep uploading more such videos. Keep following us. Thank you.